Now, say for example, handshake, handmade. So handmade, or handshake, milkshake, they have also written as close compound words. Yes, think of they are, say innumerable words. Sunrise, sunset,
Television.
television. Okay, good. Television, television, television. Very nice.
Wholesale.
Wholesale, wholesale. Good. Wholesale.
Spaceship.
Spaceship. Yeah, spaceship. Spaceship. Good. Yes, spaceship. And yeah, and like sometimes,
Anytime.
anytime. Yeah, all these words. Time phrases. I mean, anytime. Tell me more time phrases. And anybody, somebody. All these words would be written this way. Somebody,
Everywhere, anywhere.
everywhere, anywhere, everywhere, anywhere. These are all compound words. Okay, let's have more examples of close, as many as we can have. What are we doing? We are having examples on close compound words, and please keep writing them down very fast, because it's a very easy topic. Close compound words. Yeah, for example, seafood. Seafood or Thai food. Seafood is very popular in Thailand. So seafood, Thai food. Yes, come on. Say peanut. It's the same spelling here. You have peanut. Yes.
Milkshake.
Milkshake. Okay, milkshake. No, milkshake I will done. Written ponytail. Ponytail. Yes. Yeah. Homesick. I discussed homemade. So homesick. Like once you know that homemade is written as a close compound word, so it should be obvious to you that homesick too would be written this way.
Forward.
Forward. Okay. Forward. Backward. Good. Forward. Backward.
Inside, outside.
Inside, outside, right? This is how. Inside, outside, and so these are all compound words. What do you notice here? All words are root words. It's a combination of two root words. These close compound words are combination of two root words. They are giving you a new word. Okay, when they join, when they are combined, they are giving you a new word, and they are also giving a new meaning. Teaspoon, tablespoon, for that matter. See, teaspoon, teaspoon, tablespoon.
Mailbox.
Mailbox, good. Mailbox, yes.
Snowball.
Snowball. Okay, we have discussed volleyball. Softball, snowball, and even mailbox reminds me of postman, milkman. If you have only, if you have just one compound, like you say man, but if you have a word before it, like you don't say it man, postman, milkman. This is how you pronounce it. Yes. So how is it? Have you like sidewalk, skyscraper, suntan? Okay, suntan, very common word. Suntan, or say sunburn, or sunburnt.
Daydream.
Daydream, good. Daydream, yes, right. Daydream. Yes. Hmm? Earthquake. Yes. I couldn't hear you, please.
Mainstream.
Mainstream. Okay, mainstream. Mainstream. Nice. Very good. Courtyard, backyard, or say zigzag. These are all newborn, yearbook. They can be, a number of. I don't know, like when I asked you to write 10 compound words, many students did not write 10 compound words. They gave me, their answer sheets just with 6, 7. I was taken aback. I was really shocked. Means they couldn't think of even 10 words, and there can be thousands of compound words. So prepare around 100 close compound words. Okay? So any new word you are giving me? Close compound, firecracker, or shall we move on to the next one? Firecracker. And yes, or say pen handle. A pen with a handle is called as pen handle. Yes. Newlyweds.
Seafood.
Seafood, yeah. Seafood I have discussed. Newlyweds. Newlyweds. I will not call it brainstorming. It's not brainstorming. Brainstorm, yes, again, is a compound word. Is brainstorming, what does it mean, brainstorm? Means thinking a lot. When you are made to think. When you are made to thinking deeply. Yeah. Or say babysit. Very commonly used. Babysit. Working ladies especially, they arrange for a babysit who can look after their kids in their absence. Yes. Or runway, warehouse, yearbook. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So now we move on to the next